Tired of switching between your phone and computer just to reply to a WhatsApp message? Let's ditch the juggle. Here's how to seamlessly use WhatsApp Web on your Android. First, unlock your Android phone and open the WhatsApp application. In the top right corner of your WhatsApp screen, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Link Devices. This is where we'll connect your phone to your computer. On the Link Devices screen, you should see an option to link a device. Tap on that. Your phone might ask for your fingerprint or your screen lock password to proceed. Authenticate it to continue. Now, your phone's camera will activate, ready to scan a QR code. Head over to your computer and open your web browser. In the address bar, type web WhatsApp and press enter. This will load the WhatsApp web page, which displays a unique QR code. Now, simply hold your Android phone up so that the QR code on your computer screen is visible in the frame of your phone's camera. Make sure the entire QR code is within the designated scanning area. Within a few seconds, your phone will recognize the QR code, and your WhatsApp chat will appear on your computer screen. You can now send and receive messages, view your contacts, and even send media directly from your computer, making your communication much more efficient. To see your active sessions, you can always go back to linked devices on your phone and manage them accordingly.